Hey guys, it's Sean.
And Abby with RecPro.com. And today we're here to talk about Butyl Tape.
It's beautiful.
Our Butyl Tape is 1 inch thick and 30 feet long.
Our Butyl Tape has also been put up recently in an industry test up against 3 other major competitors in the market. And once everything was said and done, was tied for the top position against X-Fasten, which is one of the top performers in the industry. Hey Abby, what kind of things would you use Butyl Tape for?
I would use it for your roof vents. I'd also use it for anything around your entry doors or your windows or your baggage doors, even to put posters up on the wall.
That would work for that, actually. You mean posters of the quarterback, Johnny?
Yes.
One of the nice things about Butyl Tape is it is formulated so that when you apply it, it actually keeps its pliable nature. It's good for whenever you're using it, like Abby said, to apply to your baggage doors, windows, roof vents, concession doors, and all the other applications when you're putting anything on the exterior of your RV, trailer, concession stand, or camper.
And if you haven't seen our videos on our Butyl page at the bottom of the website, all the way at the bottom, I will add a link to this video so you can click on it. So if you haven't seen our Butyl Tape challenge videos, one of the challenges we do is we freeze this to see, how it would withstand, in normal weather conditions. And this is one of the, like you said, this was one of the leading, winners of the videos. This Butyl withstood the freeze test, and even after he took it out of the freezer and he unraveled it, it was still sticky. So if that doesn't tell you right there how strong it is, I don't know what does, Sean.
Basically, if you drove through the North Pole with your RV, it'll stick together.
It'll stick. North Pole, volcano.
Yeah, volcanoes.
And the fire test.
Yeah. We're not going to tell you about the fire test. You actually have to go to the link and see the fire test.
You need to watch it.
But it rhymes with Schlamsthrower.
Yes. So thanks so much for watching, and to shop this Butyl Tape, just click on the link below and
down there. Oh, and subscribe below.
And give us a thumbs up.
Yeah, even though this was a bit weird. Oh God, I hope your hair doesn't get stuck in that.